what is up guys? Today we have something very new here in the Tech Nave studio. This is something we've never unboxed before. This would be the Sony wireless earbuds, the brand new ones called the Sony WF-1000XM3 earbuds. And apparently from what I heard is that these earbuds sound exactly the same as WH-1000MX3 over-ear earphones, which are really good. So I'm kind of like skeptical because I've not yet seen a pair of earbuds which I actually really liked, and this includes the Apple Airpods. But you know what? Before we judge that, let's have a look at the earbuds, shall we? That's it. Where's the box?
No box.
No box. I guess I'm gonna do this differently.
Okay.
Alright, looking here, this is the case. It's actually pretty large because it does pack huge battery life. You get up to 3 times charging with this. So design overall, you can see it's actually very premium looking. You have the gold highlight on the black colored, like it feels like kind of like rubbery, but it's not. Does that make sense? Like a plastic case with the USB Type-C port in the back here. And you open it up, you have matching earbuds to match. You have 2 of them, obviously, one for right and one for left. And it does light up over here when it's open. So here are how the earbuds look like, and here are how it rests inside. So these come with a variety of tips to fit every single ear, and I think, if I'm not wrong, you get about 6 hours of listening time as well as 18 hours total charge time from the case with noise cancelling, and without noise cancelling you get about 8 hours of listening time and 24 hours of total battery time. That's a lot of battery and perfect for your long flights. And you know what? Because of the noise cancelling capabilities, you know how those like crazy babies cry on the flights and you're just like wondering, God, why am I here? Please kill me. Yeah, these are really good for that. So these connect to any phone. All you need to do is Sony headphone app from phone, and it just connects perfectly. And from what I know as well, it can actually detect whether you're moving, sitting down, walking, or running, and adjust the equalizer according to your needs. And if you're not a fan of that, you can actually adjust that yourself as well. In addition, this case also comes with quick charge, which means that only 10 minutes of charge of your earbuds in the case can give you about 90 minutes of listening time, which means you don't have to hear that crying baby for so long on the plane. It's very simple. Alright guys, that is all you need to know about the Sony wireless earbud.
You think this is just another smartphone review? Walao eh. Let me show you the senpai how to do this, okay? Oop. So the first thing you want to do before using these earphones is you gotta download this app called Sony Headphones. It can be downloaded on any smartphone, so you don't really need a Sony phone. So just gonna connect it. Alright, so this is how the page looks like. And the cool thing about this is that the earphone can actually detect whether you're standing, sitting down, or you're in a transport vehicle, like let's say a train. So in these different modes, it can show you whether you want it to be noise cancellation or you can hear your ambient sound around you. It's all controllable right here. And when people want to talk to you, you don't need to press stop at all. Just take out your earphone and the song will just stop it for you. Put it back in, it resumes. Ah, it hurts, man. If you want to wear it for jogging, no problem. These earphones that's stuck in your ear, so good that you won't feel hugging it tightly or it's trying to drop off from your ear. And as I mentioned just now, you can control whether you want ambient sound, you want noise cancellation just by tapping it here, or you can even adjust it from your app to move it to here. How awesome is that, man? Let's go faster. Oh shit. No. Oh, yeah, so you know, there's plenty to like about this earphone. It's comfortable, it's compatible, and the sound quality is equally as good as the headphone version. Honestly, if you ask me what I don't like about it, there's honestly nothing much to complain about. Maybe except for the price, but you get what you pay. It's currently now in Malaysia for 949 ringgit. You can get it now in any Sony store, and yeah, that's pretty much it. You got that? Alright, now subscribe.